What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you the reason why your left speaker doesn't work here on your iPhone. Let's say you do have your iPhone in here, and down here we do have, for example, speaker on the right, and then we do have something here on the left side. So I'm going to show you the reason why you do not have any sound coming out from this space in here. But before that, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up if you find my content useful here on YouTube. Now, I'd like to let you know first things first that this is very common and it's normal. It's normal for your phone not to play anything here from the left side. It only plays from the right side, and in much newer iPhone devices here from the top as well. Now, the thing is, a lot of people think that this is in fact a speaker, but it's not. This is not a speaker. This is a microphone, and it's set to receive or capture audio instead of releasing as a speaker. So whenever you speak, it gets recorded from here, and then whenever you listen, it gets played from here. So this is essentially a microphone. We do have two microphones on our iPhone. This one is the main one that we use to speak to people on a phone call, and then here at the back we do have one more microphone whenever we're recording a video or something like that. Since the camera is here at the back, it fetches audio in a much crispy and clear way. So the thing is, this is not a speaker. For example, let me quickly play something. Let me open up, for example, settings. Let me go all the way to sounds and haptics real quick, and then I'm gonna simply bring up my alert to max. And if I let me test it again, and if I put my finger here, you'll be able to see that sound will be very low, almost to zero. I'm closing this one and this one because this one will not play nothing. And if you try recording an audio, for example, I'm gonna try recording something here. Let me tap on record. Hello, test 1 2, and I'm gonna cover this. Hello, test 1 2, or here, hello, test 1 2. It will not be so clear as it should have been, okay? Because I'm covering that specific mic. I'm gonna cover this. Test 1 2. See, it's a bit more muffled as soon as I cover that specific microphone right there. So the thing is, we have never had a speaker on here. Now, the thing is, if you are actually having a phone that is not playing very well or not distributing the left and right correctly, I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. Simply hop into settings, and then over here, simply go all the way to accessibility here. Within the second stack of settings, tap on accessibility. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to audio and visual, which is located somewhere around here. There we go. Audio and visual. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to left and right. So you want to balance. You want to ensure that it's set to center and not all the way, for example, to the right or to the left. You want to keep it balanced in here. And this will essentially help you balancing the left and right. You may be in a situation where you're not having clear or crispy audio being balanced to both of the sides, so it's important for you to double check this, okay? Now, if you're simply having a much lower volume here on your iPhone device, for example, what I would recommend you guys to do is to go back all the way to sounds and haptics here. For example, you want to tap in sounds and haptics, and you want to ensure that ringer and alert is set to max in here. So your iPhone essentially plays very well in a very loud volume. It's important if you are experiencing a much lower volume here. Now, next up, I'm gonna show you how to clean your speakers, which is something very common that happens. Your speakers from time to time, they get a lot of dust and lint when you put your phone inside your pocket, or whenever you're in outdoor environments, like if you drive a bike, for example, or a scooter. It's very, very common for your phone to get a lot of dust. So the thing is, we're gonna need a toothbrush, ensure that it's clean and that it's not wet. It's 100% dry. So you want to clean your speaker here by performing this movement in here, upwards and downwards, okay? And you want to remove as much dust as you can in here. You're going to perform this for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the thing is, the toothbrush will get into the speaker and then it's going to release, okay, dust from your speaker. Now, since we're dealing already here with the cleaning of our iPhone, you can also take advantage and clean your microphone as well, so people can hear you properly, because the structure of these holes are exactly the same. They're similar, right? Now, if you even give a look on your screen, you'll be able to see that you do have dust in here, which is coming out from your speaker, and it's recommended to clean your speaker every once in a while. Every 15 days, every 30 days, it's important to clean it. Now, please note that we also have a speaker here at the top, so I would recommend you to clean it as well, inserting the toothbrush in here, performing this movement for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, more time here at the top and then downwards as well. And as you can see, we have a lot of dust and it's visible. Let me just quickly show it to you. If you give a look in here, we do have dust, and this is all coming out from my top ear speaker in here. By cleaning your top speaker, you'll be even able to hear in a much better quality people that call you. There we go, more dust right now. So this is how you clean your speakers here at the top, your microphone as well here at the bottom. Now, if you do have a much older iPhone with this type of speaker here at the top, you just need to brush it like this. Okay, this is how you do it. Brush it for more time, as this one is much more difficult to be cleaned. So perform this for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to see that the quality of the audio will be much better and the speaker will sound much louder. Same thing you're gonna perform here at the bottom as well. Even in older devices, the microphone used to have only one hole, but nowadays we do have more holes as we do have development on our iPhone devices. Now, if cleaning your speaker doesn't help fixing the problem, do not worry, we're moving into the next step, where I would recommend you to simple force restart your iPhone here in order to ensure that all the changes that you've done on settings are updated. So in order to force restart, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, you just need to rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 6 to 7 seconds. This is how it goes. Up, down, pressing and holding the power button continuously, and do not release the power button. There we go, I'm still pressing it, and then once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release the power button. There we go, Apple logo, release the power button, and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, essentially what this does, it's as if has disconnected your battery from your iPhone and then reconnected. I do recommend you performing this every 15 days just to ensure that your phone processes well and everything runs smoothly. It clears a few junk files and temporary cache files which are here being eaten up by your system itself. So this is how you actually force restart your iPhone. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to force restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons continuously for same duration, 6 to 7 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you have a much older iPhone device with a physical home button down here, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button continuously for 6 to 7 seconds until you see the Apple logo, and then you're gonna release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that if you have a much older iPhone device, the power button can be located at the top and not here on the right. So in order to force restart, home button along with the power button here at the top continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, this should essentially help fixing the problem that you've got, and if it doesn't help fixing the problem, you can hop into settings, scroll down all the way to general, and then tap on software update and try updating your software here on your iPhone device. You may be having a specific bug which is causing this issue depending on the software version that you're running at the moment. You may be running a beta version that may be having issue and causing all these bugs and glitches. But do not worry, I'm pretty sure that force restarting and cleaning your speaker will help fixing the problem, because it's very rare for speakers to get damaged. They really take years and years to get damaged. They hardly get damaged. There are components which hardly get damaged. So this is how essentially you can fix your speaker and the reason why your left speaker doesn't work, or it's simply a microphone, as I've just said. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you found value out of my content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people fixing tech related issues. Thank you so much for watching Fix by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.